No, in March. I'm just not sure which day.
This was really good. She's like a little too big. I can't tell. I mean,
Puggles have a lot of energy, and so this is really good for her, like to learn, like how to play. Yeah, this is great.
we got Lulu and then went back and like checked the breed and like the personality. I'm like, oh god.
They're like, what did we get?
Energy.
Yeah, it's a huge amount of energy. Yeah. But you know, they're usually very playful, like it's constructive energy.
Definitely.
Yeah.
This is for all the pumping.